Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today I'm going to make butter chicken with minced chicken cheese balls. Hope you will like it and enjoy it. Today I will be discussing food facts of chicken. Alexa, tell benefits of chicken.
Here's something I found on reference.com. Some benefits of eating chicken as the only source of meat are that chicken contains low-fat proteins and healthy vitamins, and is low in sodium, states the National Chicken Council. In addition to the health benefits of eating it, chicken is usually not expensive because it is the most common type of poultry in the world. The World Health Organization has also released reports that some types of red meats are carcinogenic.
Preparation of marinade. So now I'm adding extra virgin olive oil. So roughly you can add 2 tablespoons or as per your own wish. And now I'm going to add all the masalas, that is 1 teaspoon red chili, then one teaspoon haldi or turmeric, some mint. I'm using dried mint over here, so it's approximately 1 to 1.5 teaspoon. Then ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons nearly. Kasturi methi as per the taste, so you can add approximately 1 teaspoon. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and then 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder and coriander powder 1 teaspoon and garam masala. So you can either add garam masala or chicken masala or any other masala if you don't have that. So approximately 2 teaspoons of it. And now I'm going to mix this mixture. So I think a little bit of oil is required in this. So I'm just going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil again to it. So it gives a fruity texture, a fruity taste to the binding or the material. And now I'm going to add some curd to it. So this is the curd. So I'm using fresh curd over here. So this will be serving as a purpose of binding or marinate. Now I'm going to add salt as per the taste. You can add according to your own taste, and then a little bit of lime. I'm using half lime for it. So lime juice gives the tangy flavor to the marinade. So here I am using boneless chicken breast. In it I am using 1 kg chicken. Over here you can use the mixture as per the weight of the chicken. So this is the marinated chicken. So you can keep it for half an hour or 1 hour, or you can keep it overnight to get the best result. I am keeping it for overnight to get the best result. Ingredients. So here we are using 1 kg of marinated chicken breast, then kasturi methi, haldi or turmeric powder, cinnamon and javitri, red chilies, garlic, ginger, cashews, 1 kg tomatoes which are cut, and salt as per taste, red chili, then 3 to 4 onions which are sliced, coriander and cumin seeds powder. Now we are preparing the butter chicken sauce, and for that I am adding 1 cinnamon stick to it and some javitri, and now red chili, now stir fry it for a few seconds on low flame, and now I'm going to add ginger and garlic to it. So you can see that I haven't chopped these because I'm going to blend it later on. I've also used approximately 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. So you can see the color of the red chilies are turning a little bit of dark reddish and blackish color. We don't need to just do it too much heat, so you just prefer a low flame basically. You can see that the garlic color is just golden brown, and now I'm going to add the shallots or the onion to it. So I have chopped 4 onions for 1 kg of chicken. So we'll stir fry it for some time, and later on we will add the tomatoes to it. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes to it. So you can see that the color of the onions is just like a baby little pink, and now I'm going to add the tomatoes to it. So I'm going to stir fry it for some time. इसको मैं धीमी आंच पे थोड़ा सा stir fry करूँगा. And I'm also going to add few cashews to it after 1 minute or so. So now I'm going to add few cashews to it. So you can add 10 to 12 cashews or 1/3 cup of cashews to it. And now I'm going to add a little bit of coriander powder and cumin powder. So just like 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder to it, and some kasturi methi, salt as per taste. You can add like 1 teaspoon or more to it depending upon your taste. And now I'm going to add a little bit of red chili. So you can add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili to it, and a little bit of garam masala. I am going to add a little bit of garam masala to it. So after cooking it for 15 minutes on low flame, so this mixture is ready, and now we will blend it after letting it cool down for half an hour. I have added 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the pan, and now we are going to stir fry the marinated chicken. So I am just adding the chicken to it. So you can add a few pieces and just stir fry. So now I'm going to grind the mixture for the butter chicken sauce, and for that, for the gravy. So I'm going to grind it. Going to just add the mixture which we blended, or the gravy, into the strainer, and then we are going to strain the mixture. So you just strain the mixture So here I have added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and now I'm going to add the homemade butter to it. And now I'm going to just mix it till it just melts it down, till it melts. So the mixture of oil and butter is, specifically olive oil and butter is very good and tasty. Now you can see that the butter melts, and now I'm going to add the onion shallots and ginger garlic, which are crushed inside it. So I have added all 3 together. Now going to stir fry it for some time. Adding 3 cardamoms to it, and now I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of red chili, then 1/4 teaspoon of jeera or coriander, cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, and also I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, and salt as per taste. Apart from that, I'm also adding a little bit of kasturi methi now, and later on we will add a little bit of garam masala to it, and just stir fry it for a minute on a slow flame, and then add the gravy or the mixture which we have blended and strained it out. So now I'm going to add the gravy which we strained out. And we are going to stir fry it for a minute, or probably 2 to 2.5 minutes on a slow flame. So now I'm going to add the chicken. So now I'm going to add the chicken which I have sauteed, and then we're just going to stir fry it for. We're keeping it on the medium flame for about 4.5 minutes. Now I'm adding the fresh cream to it. See the amazing color of the butter chicken. So I haven't used any of the artificial colors to it. All are the natural colors. So ingredients. So here we are using onion and garlic cloves, cheddar and mozzarella cheese mix. Then this is either garam masala you can use, or chicken masala, minced meat or minced chicken. I am using minced chicken, 250 grams. Then salt, 2 potatoes, corn flour, yellow corn flour or makki ka atta, curd, and red pepper or red chili. So now I'm going to make the mixture. For that I have used 2 boiled potatoes which I have mashed, and then I have also added the minced meat, 250 grams of it. Now I'm going to add the spices and few onion shallots and garlics. So I'm adding onion and garlic mix to it, and then I'm adding half teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon namak or salt as per the taste. Then either garam masala or the chicken masala, whatever you have, you can add this to it. Then I'm adding the mixture of mozzarella cheese as well as cheddar cheese to it. I'm also adding breadcrumbs to it. So now we will just mix these to make a smooth batter. And for the batter thing, here I have already used this batter, in which I have added yellow corn flour and some curd to it. See the consistency, it is a bit thick in consistency. So these are the minced chicken cheese balls, and now I am going to dip these with the batter of the yellow corn flour, and I am going to shallow fry these. So now I am going to shallow fry the corn balls. So I am just adding it to the oil. I have added 4 tablespoons of oil to it for the shallow frying. Now plating. So for plating, I have used the butter chicken, and I have placed this fresh cream over here and coriander leaf over here, and these are the minced cheese chicken balls. Now, food for thought. This recipe is dedicated on occasion of Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. Alexa, sing a Christmas carol.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Now a quick recap. So ingredients for butter chicken: 1 kg boneless chicken, 1 cinnamon, javitri, garlic cloves 20 in number, 7 to 8 onions, red chili powder, cardamom, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala or chicken masala, salt, tomatoes 1 kg, cashews 10 to 15, kasturi methi. Preparation of the gravy: add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add cinnamon, javitri, red chili to it, and ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons. Then add onions, turmeric powder and allspices. After stir frying for 7 minutes on low flame, add 1 kg of tomatoes. Then stir fry for 10 minutes. Then add cashews and garam masala and cook it for 10 minutes. And cook it for 10 minutes. And garam masala and cook it for 10 minutes. Then cool it for 30 minutes. Blend it and strain through the strainer. Now stir fry the marinated chicken. After that, now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 200 grams of butter in pan, and add 3 to 4 onions, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric, red chili powder and salt as per taste. Stir fry for 5 minutes on low flame. Now the strained mixture should be added in this pan and simmer it for 5 minutes. Now add the stir fry marinated chicken for 10 minutes and cook it for 10 minutes. Then add fresh cream to it and add kasturi methi, garam masala to it. Serve it hot. Now minced chicken cheese balls preparation. Ingredients: minced chicken 250 grams, boiled potatoes 2 in number, salt, red chili, garam masala, yellow corn flour, curd, onion and garlic, cheese both cheddar and mozzarella mix, and breadcrumbs. Preparation: prepare the yellow corn batter with the curd, add salt, chili, garam masala to it. Now for the minced chicken cheese balls, add minced potatoes, minced chicken, onion and garlic and spices and all spices and cheese, breadcrumbs to it. Now prepare the balls and coat with the batter and refrigerate it for 15 minutes and then shallow fry it and serve it hot. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So now I'll be back with the interesting recipes in this season.